Today there are 3 piles to choose from, and we are doing messages from the deceased loved one. Pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3. Before we begin, let us say a small prayer. I request the Divine to come and connect with me so that I may get the clear messages and give these clear messages. Keep from me what must remain a secret. Reveal to me what must be known. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today I have come up with a reading of message from your deceased loved one in heaven. This is reading for the pile number 1. Let us see the first card, which tells what is the dead and you must let depart. There are a lot of confusions and guilt in your mind that both you and your deceased loved one must let go. The second thing is, what is needing life that you must support? Life needs courage. You must be courageous and you must not let go of the fears. You must let go of the fears. You must not hold on to fears. The courage is something that will keep you happy and it will make you successful. The third card is telling the grave issue of now that you must address. You must find harmony. There is a need to find harmony in yourself, for which you might be needing to meditate and come in connection with your heart chakra. There is some requirement for meditating on your heart chakra. The reason for the cause of this issue is that you are disconnected from the source. You are disconnected from the higher energy as well as the energy of the earth, the Gaia. You must ground yourself. You can adopt some tree or plant. You may take a nature walk. What is the solution of the issue? The solution of the issue is to let go of the past energies, to let go of the conditioning that have been bothering you, the conditionings that have chained you to thinking that you are powerless. You are a divine force. Don't consider yourself powerless. The message that has come from the heaven for you is, your loved one in heaven are doing fine. Let go of the worries and feel their loving blessing. This is for pile number 2. This is for pile number 1. Now I will come to pile number 2. Taking out the cards for the pile number 2. For those who have chosen pile number 2, the message, what is dead and you must let depart, is that you must not stay in the delusion or any kind of illusion. You must come in touch with the reality and manifest your inner self. What is needing life that you must support? The life needs you to not be such a big miser when it comes to giving emotions and sharing your emotion and your abundance. Abundance does not mean only material and financial abundance. It also means that you must be able to share your emotions and your feelings and your love with the world. The grave issue that you're facing at this time is that you're feeling your dreams are not realizing, you're not able to achieve your goals and success. The cause of this is that you're in sorrow, but you're not able to understand that the power is within you, the knowledge is within you, and if you do meditation, you can find this knowledge. The solution is you must seek yourself, you must go out and find your inner energy. Once you start going on the right path, the path will open itself for you. The message the diseased one is giving to you is, you are safe and this situation is perfectly under control of the divine providence and universal order. Only infuse loving thoughts and emotion into the situation to ensure that the higher positive outcomes flow effortlessly to you and through you. Thank you, pile number 2. Now I'm coming to pile number 3. Pile number 3. Let us see what issue you and the dead must let go of. It is the issue of sharing. You have shared enough of your abundance. You have shared everything that you had. But still you have not shared the love. You have not shared enough of emotions, or maybe the pain. If you share this pain with someone, if you share your love with someone, you might be able to overcome the sorrow that you are facing. You must support a life beyond illusion. Don't stay in the illusion. You must come to the reality, and you can manifest your inner strength which you are feeling that you lack. The issue that you are facing now is, can you do it? You have doubts in your mind that can you go and start a new life again? The cause of this is that your ordinary life has been disordered and you are feeling at a loss of simplicity. The solution of the issue lies in having patience, because as the moon grows, it waxes and wanes, so does the happiness. It will grow in your life and you will feel happiness and abundance in your life once again. The message that has come for you is that we are never blind to your tears, never deaf to your prayers, and never silent to your pain. We see, hear, and will deliver what you need. Thank you, pile number 3. Thank you so much.